What's up, my YouTubers, my fans, my viewers? I appreciate y'all coming in and checking me out all the time. But you already know what I'm about to say. You gotta subscribe, comment, and show some love because that definitely helps me out and it keeps me going. Y'all motivate me every day to do something. But let's get started to this Panzoid. This is how you make an intro, and the best part about it, it's free. So whoever wants to, start a YouTube channel, I would recommend this because it's a good free start. So let's get right into it. Basically this is just a, the cover Panzoid. These are different people's ideas. I'm assuming that, they put their clips together. They, put hard work into these clips. So if you ever use one of them, give them a shout out, give them a little, support. But like you can see, like there's so many different kinds right here. If you go like the clip maker, you can see different kinds of ideas. There's so many, like anime. You can see Sasuke right here. You can see just so many. But let's see. For example, there's Naruto on right here. If you see right here, it just looks like a bunch of colors right now. But if you go right here and press play, you can see like you just see like the rough draft kind of like boom. But if you go to the eye right here and then press play, you can see the full effect of it, like the final draft kind of. Well, is the final draft. And there's music in the back, but I'm not gonna play that. I'm gonna show y'all like some couple examples towards the end. But we got so many different kinds. Some of them are more complex for some reason. Like you can see like in my intros, this is what I use Panzoid for my ending. Right here. Like there's so many different kinds of designs, and I love this website with all my heart. So like just let's get to the point and show y'all what I do to like get started. So like text, you can see it says text right here. This is what's going to look like. And this is just like a basic one for the ones I want to, and you could do complex ones as well, but sometimes they be difficult and a little harder to mess with. So we're going to do that. We're going to click that one. We're going to do new project. Oh, wow. Let's try it one more time. We'll do this one. Once it loads, this is going to be the one we're doing. Text. Then you're going to go to the left, actually, since we already got a new project. And the frame rate, you got length, like how long you want it to last. You can make it longer if you want, but it's just going to go a little slower. You can choose the quality. This one I recommend 1920 1080. Some of this other stuff I don't really mess with because it does weird things, but you can try it out, experiment for yourself if you want to try it and see if it makes your intro pop out. So right here, boom, you can see how it says text right there. Something pretty basic. So right here you'll go to text, and I'm gonna say like you'll see like a bigger perspective of what's happening right here, like all the editing, like you can change it all, but you don't really gotta touch much of this, to be honest. I'm gonna be honest with you. So like I'm gonna put Omega and enter. The font, you can change whatever font you want, but I'm gonna keep it just basic. You can change the size to make it huge. Positions and stuff I don't really mess with because it's like the editors kind of did that for you. So you can change the colors. Red, I'll choose that. You can see Omega's in the background right now, so I'm gonna keep it red and some weird color. No, actually yellow. Red and yellow. What's this doing? Work. Actually, you know what? We're gonna stick to the black because that look crazy. So you can see Omega in the back. That's just the outline on the back. Next is we'll put Omega again in the other text, and then boom, you can see like perfect. Like I didn't put the full name, but like Omega right there. Gonna add EX. You can see like once you put them together, it kind of like overrides it, and then makes it fit perfectly. And you can see like you can change the colors of both sides. Like you can change it red to black, any color you want, so you don't gotta worry about that. Like light, this is the stuff I don't really mess with. Like, you can, I've touched it a little bit, dabbed on it, but that's like, it changes the whole background perspective. You can change the colors as well. See, red, like you can see the lines turn red. The lines turn red. You can add bloom. You can add shutters, radio, blur. But like, when you do it in full perspective now, this is what it'll look like. So you can see, like, now my name's in there. It's a good intro, and there's music in the background. Of course, you don't gotta add music. I think you can actually, put music in the background for yourself, but most of the time the music in here is perfectly fine. Like, you can see right here, audio file. But like, I do recommend, just using the music it has, because it's pretty good. Some of it's copyrighted, so you got to make sure you know the song that you're playing. So I would recommend using like Snapchat audio to see, like, figure out what that song is so it don't get copyrighted. But most of the time, it's not copyrighted music. It's all remixed. When you're done, you can download it. See my computer. There we go. You're gonna download it, and you can do balanced, good quality, or extreme quality. I'm just gonna stick with balanced because it doesn't really, the quality looks good as balanced. And you're gonna start video render, and from here, it's gonna put the video together, and you're gonna download it. It's gonna go into your file, and from there, you can use it into your intro. So that's the easiest. That's the easiest right there. But I'm gonna send y'all in the end. I'm gonna send y'all like a couple of clips of what it looks like with noise, just some different examples. But this is definitely amazing. If you like what I do, definitely check me out, subscribe, and I appreciate you if you comment. Let me know how I do, because I'm just getting better from here, and I'm trying to please y'all as much as I can. I appreciate y'all time, and y'all be safe out here as usual. COVID-19 is taking over right now, but we're gonna get through it. We're gonna be strong. But y'all enjoy your day, and check me out. Appreciate it. Hold it down.
Roxy, Roxy.